Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of SHIBA have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about SHIBA. Whale buys 175 billion more SHIB amid price dip. Shiba Inu, SHIB, recently announced its own metaverse with different interactive features. This news motivated Ethereum, whales to accumulate SHIB in bulk transactions. According to Whale Stats, the largest of the wallets have added over $4 million worth of 175 billion Shiba Inu tokens in the last 24 hours. It is interesting to note that the world's second largest meme cryptocurrency is down by 8%. Whales bought the dip. The Ethereum whales have taken benefit of the price dip to add more SHIBs to their tally. This move has sent Shiba Inu to land on the list of top 10 tokens purchased by the wallets in the last 24 hours, reports Whale Stats. The meme coin stands at the 4th spot. However, the accumulation of 175 billion SHIB was done in just 3 transactions by an whale named Bomber. Whale's interest in buying the meme coin can be seen by looking at the list of top coins purchased in different spans of time. Shiba Inu comfortably makes it to the list of top tokens purchased in the burn website. In March alone, a whopping 6 billion SHIB were burned with 430 transactions. Meanwhile, whale accumulation continues. Recent data shared by Whale Stats reveals that a whale named Bomber has bought a whopping 175.2 billion SHIB at nearly $4.4 million worth. Earlier, Whale Stats reported SHIB buying transactions from another top whale named Gimli. On March 30th, Gimli purchased a total of 421,370,420,624 SHIB in 2 big transfers, paying $11,313,795 in total. And on March 9th, he replied to a call to allow Russian students kicked out of universities for protesting war to signal that Europe stands with those in Russia that oppose Putin and oppose the war. Buterin wrote that the first priority was supporting Ukrainians. And he added, next, it was also really important and a priority to support those Russians and Belarusians who refuse to let Putin's zombie regime represent them and take action to oppose it. Social media observers on the platform offered their support for Buterin's call, including the founder of the crypto exchange giant Binance, Changping Zhao, who said that the world was lucky to have the Ethereum co-founder. So, market makers are likely to push SHIB's price above this hurdle and allow for a chance to retrace before sending SHIB to its target at $0.000339. This run-up would constitute a 24% upswing and is likely where SHIB will form local top and consolidate before firmly establishing a new directional bias. Supporting this bullish outlook for Shiba Inu's price is the 30-day market value to realize value (MVRV) model. This indicator is used to assess the average profit loss of investors who purchased SHIB tokens over the past year. A negative value below -10% indicates that short-term holders are at a loss and is typically where long-term holders tend to accumulate. Therefore, a value below -10% is often referred to as an opportunity zone. Although the 30-day MVRV for SHIB has moved past the zero line and is currently hovering around 11%, there is a chance for the altcoin to move higher. The uptrend in February saw the MVRV form local top at 30. In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.